Hi there! Welcome back to WT Botbuilder. This is the second video of the three-part video series about Bot Sellers Iceland. In this video, I will show you how you can set up the AI assistant setting at WT Botbuilder and also explain what integration is and how to set it up. What is an intent detection? Well, integration is a feature of WT Botbuilder's AI assistant that allows the chatbot to understand the purpose of or goal behind the user's message. By analyzing the user's input, the AI can identify the user's intent and trigger the appropriate response or action that you can predetermine and set up. Why do you need integration? Well, picture this if a customer writes, "I'm having trouble logging into my account." The interpretation system recognizes the intent as a count issue and can direct the customer to the appropriate troubleshooting steps. Or it can automatically assign a support agent who specializes in this specific problem. All this can be done thanks to the intent detection feature of WT Botbuilder. In the previous video, I have shown you training your assistant with the data from your websites, homepage, and other relevant pages using URL. So I will start this video exactly where I finished the last video so that you don't feel confused from this training with URL campaign page. Let's go to the Bot Manager option from the WhatsApp section. Then go to AI Assistant option. By toggling this button, you can turn on and off the assistant feature. Now from here, select an AI training campaign. Here you can see all your training campaigns. I will choose the AIR campaign that I created earlier in the last video, which is this one chatbot. Next, this is the toggle button to intent detection training. After toggling the option, you can see all the intent detection campaigns to choose from. You can also create a new intent detection campaign using this Create button. And to refresh your list, click here. Now let's create a new intent detection campaign. So click on this Create button. First, give it a campaign name. This is going to be a customer support intent campaign, meaning in the conversation with chatbot. If a user wants to talk to a human agent, then the AI can assign a human agent by itself thanks to this feature. So I'm going to name it Technical Support Request. Next, I will have to write down a few example sentences that the user might use in the conversation with the chatbot. So let's write them down here in the input box. First, I'm going to write, "I'm facing an issue with your software." Then I need technical assistance. And can someone help me resolve it? I think this three is enough. Enough for the AI to understand what the intent should be. Now choose the dedicated toggle button for agent assignment. Choose your desired team from where the AI will randomly choose an agent. Now let's write a response message for the user to ensure that a human agent will contact him soon, and click on the Create button. Right now, click on the List button again and you can see the campaign that we just created. And click on the Refresh button to refresh the list here. Okay, now let's create another internet connection campaign. And this time we're going to create a campaign for the scenarios where users ask for a refund. This campaign will enable our AI to process this request professionally and efficiently. So click on the Create button, then clear out all of this. Now give this campaign a name. So I'm going to write Refund Policy. Now write down some example sentences for the campaign, like what is your refund policy? How do I request for a refund? Can I get money back? I think these are enough now. Toggle AI-driven responses option since I want the bot to answer by itself. Or you can also select the bot flow trigger option if you have any specific bot flow template ready for your refund policy. For me, I'm just going to train my AIR with my absurd refund policy data and let it answer by all itself. To create a new AI training campaign, click on this Create button. It will take you to the ER training campaign page. And here, just like the last video, I'm going to create new campaign for refund policy. Keep the prompt message as it is. Just modify it a bit and save it. Now let's go to the URL option to train the AI with my website's data. Copy the website's link and paste it over here and generate a raw response and save it. Now let's go back to the intent detection campaign page and then refresh the AI training data source and select the newly created campaign. Finally, select two interdiction campaigns that we just created. If you want the AI to answer all incoming users' questions, then toggle this as Stand for All Queries option. And if you want, the AI should only answer customer questions. If it fails to match the predefined bot flow template, then toggle this AI as a fallback-only option. Practice to enable it and set the limit to 4 to 5 sentences. Lastly, to prevent AI from assigning agents during non-business hours. Toggle this option. You can also configure your business hours option from here. Just go to Configuration option. You can set up your time zone of day, office, starting time, and also ending time. Moreover, you can also disable bot replies during business hours using this Disable Bot Reply in Business Hour option. Now go back to Asset and Page and save everything. Now let's test if our intent detection campaign is working or not. As expected, the bot understood and replied exactly as we trained. So this is all about it in this video. Until next time, see you!